Hey everyone, so you may or may not know, but I've been working for Forbes for a while now as a copywriter. And one issue that I run into Forbes and that I ran into honestly all of my copywriting jobs in all of my life is of you can't do the same copywriting for all companies. Duh. But that's not what I mean. What I mean is like every company gives you some strict guidelines on their tone of voice. You can't quite change the tone too much in different companies, and of course Forbes is very picky about their tone. So in this video we're going to solve this right now. Okay, let's go. Invent a newsletter brand about AI that is young and fast, and give me a lengthy brand guideline for its tone of voice. So usually if you've been copywriting for a while now, since ChatGPT came up, you've been trying to come up with ideas. And again, I'll make a video on how to properly use ChatGPT for copywriting in a while. But one issue that might be having is that every time you probably do this, you put some guidelines before doing anything, and that's tiring, So in this video, let's make a GPT, a custom GPT, so we can solve this forever. So we created this AI post. AI post is a dynamic, youthful newsletter brand focusing, la la la. Okay, so a lot of those are here. And the only thing that you have to do, and here's where you start creating the GPT, is first, let's copy this entire guideline here. So we'll never have to talk again about this. And over here on the left, you'll have those. On mine, I have some here because some of those I have created and some I have used recently. So that's where they are going to show. But all you have to do is click on Explore here. If you don't have the Explore button here, it's probably because you're not on the paid version. You need a ChatGPT paid version for this. So click on Explore and you'll be on this screen. My GPTs, you'll see every GPT, that you created here, recently used here, some made by OpenAI here, and you only need to go here. And now here's something that I really think is better for you. That is, ignore this tab, this create tab, because it's very slow and very for dummies, and come for configure because it's better, it's easier, it's faster. So let's make the AI, I even forgot the name. I guess it's AI Flow bot. And this is going to be a bot to help me write copy always in the tone of voice of AI Flow. And here, I'll simply put the instructions here. So introduction. So actually, instead of putting the instructions here, it's better that I give it the instructions of always take into consideration your knowledge when creating copy for AI Flow. Your knowledge will contain the tone of voice guidelines for how to write about AI Flow. And to be honest, that's mostly all that there is, for it. So the only thing that I will do now is that I'm going to, instead of pasting it here, because those are instructions, I'm going to put it as knowledge over here. And you can upload files right here. And you can upload TXTs, you can upload PDFs, you can upload images. I'll just create a TXT out of it and be right back in 1 second and upload it here. So 1 second. So here I am. I put the content that I mentioned right here in this TXT file. I'm going to upload it here. There you go. And honestly, that's all you need. You don't need anything else. Let's just create a picture by using Dolly Free, because why not? But honestly, you don't need to put any conversational starters here. They are just those small buttons here. Let me just put small button. Oops. Button here, like that. Preemptively put some inputs, for you to facilitate your life, but you don't even need to use them. You can put something like, give me a refresher on the tone of voice for this, for AI Flow. Just in case you're here, you need something different for this, but whatever, you don't need it. The capabilities, again, you don't need those, but since they are here and you don't pay anything extra for them, why not leave them there? You don't need any actions, that's very advanced for now. Any additional settings, all you need is those instructions and one kind of document like this. And the beautiful thing about this is, first, nobody else needs to see this, because when you come here on save, you can save only to yourself. And that's what I'm going to do with this AI Flow here. And the second thing is, imagine that you're doing some copy and then your boss says to you like, you deviated a little on your copy recently because you did this. Then you'll try, like confirming it and say, oh, so the correct would be X, Y, and Z. And they will confirm. And then you just come here later. You just come on explore again. You come on edit. You come on configure. And you add the uploaded knowledge here, the updated knowledge here. So, like easy as this. You can keep it always updated like this. And like this, you solve your number one problem as a copywriter with a custom GPT. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see what happened when I tried creating a custom GPT with every single knowledge of copywriting in the world, check out this video here that is showing your screen right here, right now. That's it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.